Hi everyone, welcome to Nishad Karim Art. Today I'm going to show you how to do a simple bamboo composition, and while doing so I'll teach you how to paint bamboo as well. So the stem, the stick or the smaller bits of the stem and the leaves as well. So today we'll be using just 3 brushes. We'll be using a bamboo mop brush, or you could use your own mop brush. I'm using also large filbert brush, and number 2 you can also use a flat brush, but with the filbert you get that effect with the stem, with the joints, much better. And then I'm also using a finer bamboo brush for the sticks. You could use a rigger as well for that. So I'm using the mop brush basically to do the leaves. I'm going to do some smaller leaves with this one, and with the filbert I'm going to do the stem. So I'm going to start off with the stem first. Now some people, depending on the composition and depending on the colors you want to use, you could just dip your brush into that color and just paint your stem. So what I'm going to do today is do the first one. Traditionally I'm going to use one side, and you can see with the filbert it's quite flat. So I'm going to put one dark green on one edge and a lighter green on the other edge to give that effect of light and dark and shadow. And I'm going to do one and show you how to achieve that that effect with the joints of the bamboo. So I'm just going to dip one side dark, one side with a lighter color. And let's pull in, stop, stop. And that's one there. Make another one. Start maybe here. Pull, stop, pull, stop. Leave a space, pull and stop. And you can see the little ridges there being formed. Do another one. Maybe there's one closer here. Pull, stop, pull, stop, pull, stop. And I'm pressing down as well. So while I'm pulling, I'm pressing down. So let's do one here. Press down, stop. Press down, stop. Press down, stop. So make it a bit interesting, add some color. So let's do a different color maybe, just to make things a bit more exciting. Let's try a different shade of green. Maybe we have one here like this. And if you want to get different thicknesses, you could use a larger filbert brush. Let's see what we get. And that's also a nice effect with the sort of like scrapes on the bamboo. So let's see if we could get another different color here. Pull and stop, pull and stop, pull straight off. So that was quite interesting. So now we're going to use the small bamboo brush to do the stem, and I'm going to use the same colors. So I'm just going to pull this here. And I'm just pulling that really lightly. Stick. And then we also have some bits there. Some blue. Yep. This is sort of same formation, just these strips like. And similarly, get some smaller ones here. Maybe have some coming from there. And once you've done those, then it's quite easy to add in your leaves. So we'll just leave those sticks in the meantime. And to get the leaves, I'm going to use my brush. I'm just going to mop up some color now. Let's see if we can get some nice greens in there. So sure you're not starting with a nice point. You're not pressing too hard, a little bit of effort, and you're just pulling it in one form. So you just start in there. Some here. Maybe there's one here. Yeah, let's put some there. I'm just swooping that downwards. So you could press as well. Some nice different colors. Let's see if we can get some different color leaves here. And you see this pattern being repeated in bamboo when you see bamboo trees and so on. Change it up a little bit and add some and this is not meant to be a realistic piece, but you get the idea of how you can create. And you can also make some smaller leaves as well using the smaller bamboo brush. You could also have smaller ones in there. So now what I'm going to do is any leaves that doesn't seem to be attached basically to branch or something like that, I can now come in with the stem color. Could be a darker bit, so we could just pull this here, pull this here, join them back like that. So basically, just joining them up. And then you could just create those as well. So basically, there you have it, guys. Simple composition on bamboo, leaves, and how to make those bamboo. Hope you enjoy.